StoryTellr Services is the new video marketing program from StoryTellr, designed to make video marketing a key component to maintaining your sphere and helping it grow. Video helps make your communications more personal, and it's also the single fastest growing segment on the internet. Studies estimate that more than 80% of all online traffic will be video by next year, and we're here to ensure that you and your business can stay current, get noticed, and make an impression. We walk you every step of the way to not only produce timely, informative content, but to place and broadcast it to produce quality results. You don't think you'll look or sound good on camera? Our behind-the-scenes pros make the work of recording video fast and easy. We specialize in creating comfort on camera, whether with your phone or through a webcam. And our team will turn your footage into a polished professional video. And we'll also provide you with scripts, topics, and talking points created by some of the top industry pros and adapted specifically for you. In as little as 30 minutes a month, you'll be communicating directly with your sphere. And with your website and social media platforms, you'll be helping that sphere grow. We'll analyze your web presence and make sure you have the means and the support to direct all your web traffic to where it matters most, back to you. We make sure your videos are seen in the right places by the right people. Who has the time and money to invest in a video marketing plan? You do, with StoryTellr Services. Everyone has a story to tell. Let StoryTellr help tell yours. Contact us today to schedule a consultation.